Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what I believe is the best deep moisturizing dog paw treatment you can get your hands on. The Warren London Dog Cuticle and Nail Revitalizing Oil. If your furry friend struggles with brittle nails, dry paws, or you just want to upgrade their grooming routine, this product could be a game changer. Let's explore why. So let's start with what this product is and what it promises. Warren London's Cuticle and Nail Revitalizing Oil is designed specifically for dogs, focusing on nail and paw health. This isn't just about aesthetics. Healthy nails reduce pain, discomfort, and the risk of breakage. And this little bottle packs a powerful formula into 2.5 fluid ounces of product. Let's talk ingredients, because that's where the magic happens. The formula is enriched with vitamin E, which is known for its ability to deeply nourish and protect the skin and nails. It also includes sunflower oil, which delivers natural hydration and promotes healing. What stands out here is how dog-safe and gentle these ingredients are. They're effective without being harsh, which is exactly what you want for something you're applying regularly to your pup's paws. Now here's a major highlight. This formula is non-greasy. That means you won't be chasing your dog around trying to wipe oily paw prints off the floor. It absorbs quickly, leaving behind a smooth, nourished finish without stickiness. It also has a very mild, pleasant fragrance, just enough to feel fresh, but not so strong that it bothers your dog's sensitive nose. In terms of benefits, the oil moisturizes and hydrates cracked nails and cuticles, strengthens brittle nails to reduce breakage, and even encourages healthy nail growth. Whether your dog is active outdoors or spends more time lounging on the couch, this treatment helps maintain strong, resilient nails. You can use it daily or as needed. For best results, it's recommended to gently massage the oil into each nail and cuticle area. This gives you a great bonding moment with your dog and also stimulates blood flow, which supports nail health even further. Another reason to feel good about using this product. It's cruelty-free and proudly made in the USA. Warren London makes a clear ethical commitment in its manufacturing process, ensuring no animals are harmed and only safe, tested ingredients go into every bottle. Size-wise, the 2.5-ounce bottle is compact but lasts quite a while since a little goes a long way. Just a few drops per paw are sufficient for each application. It's a practical size for home use or even to bring along while traveling with your dog. If you're someone who takes grooming seriously or just wants to give your dog a little spa treatment, this oil checks all the boxes. It's easy to use, effective, safe, and ethically produced. To wrap it up, Warren London's Dog Cuticle and Nail Revitalizing Oil is a small but powerful addition to your dog's care routine. From hydration and nourishment to strengthening and fast absorption, this oil stands out in the crowded pet care market. If you've been looking for a reliable product to promote healthier paws and nails, this is one I definitely recommend adding to your grooming toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth takes on top-tier pet products and beyond. See you in the next one.